everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for Regions Bank account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant updates from us. Click open any web browser you want in order to sign up. After you do that, in the URL box, type in www.regionsbank.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Regions Bank. Regions Financial Corporation is a bank holding company headquartered in the Regions Center in Alabama. The company provides retail banking and commercial banking, trust, stock brokerage, and mortgage services. Now, in order to open an account or sign up, click on Open an Account option at the upper right corner. In order to open an account, scroll a bit down and click on your options from where you want to open an account. Let me click on this one right here. Once you click on Open Now, you'll be taken to a next page. To create an account, you'll need your email address, your social security number, and your personal identifications. Your personal identifications can be driver's license, passport, state-issued ID, or military ID. Click on Get Started in order to create an account. In this page, you'll need to enter your contact information. If you would like to add a joint applicant, then check the box that says yes. If not, no. Enter your first name in the first text field. Move on to the next one where it says last name and enter your last name. Now enter your email address into the email text field. Under phone number type, select either mobile or your home. Enter your phone number on the next text field. After you're done, click on the next button and on the next page, you'll need to enter your social security number in the first text field. If you want to double check it, then click on the show link and reveal your social security number before moving on. On the next field, type in your date of birth and select your employment status from the drop-down. Next, select your occupation from the drop-down. Enter your promo code, which is an optional. You can even skip this step, and if you want to, then you can enter both your promo code and your banker's ID. And after you're done, click on the next button. Just like that, you'll be able to sign up for your Regions Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.